I had to give this one another look and zoom in and clean it up as best as I can. Keep your eyes in the red area. The blue area is the tree. Okay, these edits are shorter than even the original clip, and I edited out the parts that have too much of my trail cam in it. I'll have a link to the original full video in the description. Hey, if you keep your eye to the right up there, you can still see a hand or something going on with a tree up there. Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit closer and on some stills, and I'll point some stuff out. Here's a side-by-side of what you're missing on the other side of the tree. I kind of drew an outline of what's going on there. It's a freaking huge arm, and it looks like she's holding a baby up to her breast right there. And she's probably kneeling on the ground, leaning up against that tree. This one I really can't do much with, and I don't know why, but you can make out a hand on the tree and part of the shoulder, and it appears to be the baby she's holding out. And it looks like it's newborn, but it's really blurry, so just make your own decision. There's stills on the upper right there on what was on the corner of the screen before. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.